HP docking station drivers enable communication between your HP laptop and the docking station, allowing peripherals like external displays, Ethernet, USB ports, and audio to function correctly. These drivers are crucial for a seamless docking experience. Without them, connected devices may not be recognized or function properly. There are different types of drivers for HP docking stations, including device drivers for USB hubs and chipset drivers. These unified packages can be found via the HP Download Center. The easiest way to install HP docking station drivers is automatically. Start by connecting your docking station to your HP laptop using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. On Windows, the operating system should automatically detect the docking station and install the necessary drivers through Device Manager. This plug-and-play process works for most modern HP models. On macOS, the system will automatically install the necessary drivers through System Settings. You may see prompts to confirm new display settings or other connected devices. To verify the installation on macOS, open System Report and check under Hardware, USB, or Thunderbolt. This confirms the docking station is properly recognized. This automatic plug-and-play approach is successful for most modern HP docking station models. However, always ensure your operating system is fully up to date to avoid compatibility issues. If automatic installation fails, you can manually download the drivers from the official HP support website. Visit support.hp.com and enter your HP product number to find the correct drivers for your specific docking station model. Download the driver file, which is usually a .exe file for Windows or a DMG file for macOS. Run the installer as an administrator to ensure proper installation permissions. For macOS users, open the downloaded .dmg file and follow the on-screen instructions to install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. HP Support Assistant is a free application from HP that simplifies driver management for your docking station. Start by downloading and installing the app from HP's support website. Once installed, launch the HP Support Assistant to see the main interface, which shows your device information and update options. The app will automatically scan your system for available updates, including drivers and firmware for your HP docking station. This ensures compatibility and security. Follow the on-screen prompts to select and install the recommended updates. This process helps prevent driver conflicts and keeps your docking station running smoothly. Using HP Support Assistant prevents driver conflicts and ensures you always have the latest compatible versions for optimal performance. If you encounter issues after installing HP docking station drivers, such as unrecognized devices, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, update your laptop's BIOS to the latest version to ensure compatibility and stability. Next, check for potential hardware faults using HP PC hardware diagnostics. Try reinstalling the drivers in safe mode to eliminate software conflicts. Ensure your USB-C or Thunderbolt ports are functioning correctly and delivering adequate power. If a Windows update caused the problem, consider rolling back to a previous driver version. The docking station market is rapidly evolving, with several key trends shaping its future. Universal USB-C docks are becoming increasingly prevalent, offering compatibility across a wide range of devices. Wireless docking solutions via Wi-Fi 6E are emerging, providing cable-free connectivity for convenience. Although wireless options are emerging, wired Thunderbolt connections remain the standard for high-performance applications. HP is also integrating AI-driven setup assistants to diagnose and resolve driver-related issues more efficiently. Expect more autonomous installations via cloud-based services in the future, making setup even more seamless. A large-scale corporate deployment of HP EliteBook 840 G9 laptops and docking stations saw a 98% success rate with automatic driver installation using HP Support Assistant. The remaining 2% required manual firmware updates due to legacy software conflicts. This deployment resulted in a 40% reduction in IT support tickets, demonstrating the effectiveness of streamlined driver management. Tech reviewers generally rate HP drivers as highly reliable and easy to use. Security analysts emphasize the importance of regular firmware updates to mitigate security risks associated with docking station peripherals. Statistics show that the vast majority of users find HP driver installations straightforward, with automated tools resolving most issues. HP continues to invest in AI and cloud based solutions to further improve the user experience and reduce support costs.